going to attempt to put my new grow light together today. And I guess you can watch me bumble around on this. It looks like there's three parts to it. So I'll take this. Go. This is what the grow light looks like. And okay, I'm gonna need to get up and get some scissors. I'll be right back. Hi, I'm back. I decided to throw a load of laundry in the washing machine because the basket was dreadfully full, and then put some leggings on so I didn't have to be tugging at my skirt to stay modest. So I got the scissors, and I've got this little twist tab or tie tab, whatever it's called, right here on this. I need to see if I can get it off of here. So you're watching me bumble around on this. Okay, almost. There we go. Okay. Oop, I went somewhere else to look for it. Oh, there's one down in the sand too. Okay. Okay, I got those apart. And I think, you know, it would be nice. Maybe there's directions in here. There's something in here that would be really nice, because I'm not the most. I'm not good at putting things together particularly. Oh yes, I've got some directions here. Very good. Okay. I'm good at reading the instructions. Way better than I am on figuring out how to do things on my own. I know most people, well, a lot of people, will try to put something together and then look at the directions, but not me. I have to see the directions. So give me a minute. I'm going to read through these and I'll come back. Okay, I think I accidentally just took a picture of myself instead of starting the video. I had to unscrew this, take it out, and then take these little things off of the light bulb, and then screw the light bulb back into the fixture. So that's where I am right now. Okay, my next step, and I'll show you on the other one. I did one off screen so that I make sure I knew how to do it. I'll right there. I take this black thing. And see these little, I put it up here close so you can see what I'm doing. I put that in there, and I pull this other side out and insert it into that, into that. There we go. And then it comes together, and then that's done. So that's that step. This next part took me a little bit to figure out because I'm not good at seeing pictures. You take this little thing, and it has to go like so on here. Yeah, and once I figured that out so that it matched the picture, at least I think it does. You can see that. It looks like it matched the picture. So I think we're good there. And then I have to fasten this into it. So I'll come back and show you that. Okay, this next part's a little tricky. You have to attach this to the middle part. And see, I'm not very good at it. It came apart already. And I think it goes down like that. Try the other side. But see, I'm doing something wrong because it's just not staying there. I said if it's too loose to reposition this. So let me move that back just a little bit. It needs to be bigger. Okay, let's see if that works. Move that back a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. It's not doing it. I'm going, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to have my hubby do it. Okay, I'm back. He did just exactly the same thing I was doing, only he had a little more muscle power on his. So I will turn my camera around and show you. Okay, this right here is the part I was having trouble with, just getting it to seat down in there. And he has stronger fingers than I, so it just went right down there for him, and that was good. Okay. All I have to do now is plug the electrical part in and put it where I want it, and we're all set. So if you get one of these, not that hard to do, really. If I can do it, anybody can do it. And the only part I had to have trouble with, I actually knew how to do. I just wasn't getting it done. So, there we go with that. I don't know if I have anything else to show you today. My plants are progressing about the same as yesterday, maybe a smidgen taller. So I'm going to wait a day or so before I show them to you. And my video for today will be nice and short. I'm going to show you just a little teeny portion of worship service today, which I really enjoyed. And until next time, happy gardening, and may the Lord richly bless you.